As you can see, I've created a budget tracker, but it doesn't look visually appealing and can be confusing. Let's format this data for better understanding. To make the text visually appealing, let's start by changing the font for the table title. We want it to stand out from the rest. First, select the cell, go to the Home tab, and in the font group, click on the font command. From the drop-down menu, choose a different font. I think Arial would be fine. You can also adjust the font size to make it bigger or smaller. Alternatively, use the provided shortcuts to quickly resize the font. For emphasis, you can make the text bold, italic, or underlined. In this case, bold should be enough, so I'll deselect the other two options. To clearly separate the cells, you can apply borders to the table. Select the cells or range where you want to add borders. Here, you can choose to add a bottom border, top border, borders on sides, and all borders. At this point, you can also use pre-designed styles from the Style group in the Cell Styles section. We have different styles to choose from. Let's go with Heading 1. Alternatively, you can also fill the cells with color using the Fill Color command. Simply select the range of cells you want to apply the color to and choose the desired color. Lastly, let's change the font color to something bright for better visibility. Now, I'm going to bold the header row. To do this, I'll select the entire row by clicking on the row number. Once the row is selected, I can apply formatting to the entire row at once. I can italicize it, make it bigger, change the font color, and more. However, to keep it simple, I'll just go with the bold option. The same goes for columns.